Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe.
And I'm Tammy.
And this weekend we're at Hamburg State Park in Georgia. This is our campsite, site number 29, lakefront, pull through, 50 amp, 30 amp electric, water hookup. There is a separate dump station, and this living side is literally right on the water. Gravel parking pad, gravel living space pad. It's got a fire ring with the ability to cook on it, lantern hanger, picnic table, and a standalone charcoal grill.
Boat ramp and picnic area. Site number 1. Site number 2. No, and that one has their own parking area. That one too. Site number 3. Site number 4. Site number 5 and 6. And site number 7. Site number 8. And site number 9. Site number 10. Site number 11. Site number 12 and 13. Site number 14. Site number 15. Site number 16. Site number 17 and 18 and 19 and 20. Site number 21, 22 and 23. and 24. Site number 25. Site number 26. And site number 27. Site number 28, 29, and 30. Okay, it's going home day. Heading back to Florida. Babe, stop, hold on. You're gonna drag.
So the pitch of that driveway was what I was concerned about, is this coming up here. And man, we just had like that much room, but we made it on our way back to Florida.